Alright, you're welcome to this tutorial. Welcome to Graphix tutorial. So today we are going to do something for Valentine, and this is what we're going to do exactly. Alright, so I want us to produce message. I want us to do something about this. So I'm going to create a tutorial again from the beginning and show you how you can do exactly this. This is beginners friendly, and you can do this. Alright, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, this is Graphix tutorials, and you're going to learn a whole lot from this channel, how to do designs with your mobile phone. So if you are new to design or you've been designing before, this channel is really going to help you. Both smartphones and apps, where you're going to get what's it called? You're going to get linked to laptop designs as well. Alright, so sorry for the noise, maybe it's just because of where I am at the moment. Alright, so I think let's get started. Okay, so let's just get started from the beginning. So I'm just going to, I just hope I can remember everything here. Alright, so let's go back. So I'll hit, okay, let me save it as project first, so that if I want to get back to it, I think I have one as Happy Val already. Happy Val, I'll just overwrite it. Okay, so now that means if I get out and I just go back in there again, I can open it again. That's just the meaning of saving as project. Okay, so it's a project, I've saved it already, so I'm going to hit this. So the first thing you need to do, if you open your Pixellab, this is what you're going to see. Now if you're using the demo version, it's pretty fine. Alright, so it's not like you're going to miss anything about, like, if you don't use the Pro. Okay, it's just that there are some additional features, just some additional, let me say, resources here. Okay, just delete this. If you're using this or the normal version, you can go ahead with it. So come to background editing here, click it, then we're going to change the color to white. So look for white, hit it, and then hit OK. The next thing we're going to do is, what I had there was reduce it and write it's February. Right, it's February 14th. Hit OK. So I think this is okay. So I'm going to position it here. Then come to text editing with this A here, tap it, and then just be watching my tabs as well. So I'm not too fast because this tutorial is for beginners, right? So enlarge the spacing. Alright, and then the next thing is to hit the mark sign. The next thing is to change the color. So swipe to color and then pick red. Anything around red, you can click the plus sign and pick red from there. Just hit OK. The next thing, like I said, please just pardon the noise, background noise. I'm right now somewhere here, so just enlarge this. I think the next thing we had there was happy. Okay, so Happy Val. So Happy Val. So this happy, I'm just going to swipe down to font. I'm going to pick a font that I've installed. So I'll click my font. That is my own font. And if you don't know how to install fonts, the video will be moving around now. You can click it or check the channel itself. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Like I've said, check the channel itself, or hit the video first and then see how you can install fonts. Now if you want to use another font, that's perfectly fine. Alright, so I'm going to use this particular font, this Luster Master Black. So I'm going to use a medium. So you can type Luster Master font download in Google and it will bring out site that you can get it from. Alright, or you can watch the video and follow the procedure and also type it there. If you see it there, that's fine as well. So the video basically is how to really install fonts. Also in the video you can see where to get fonts from. Okay, so I'm going to click the medium, hit OK, and I think this is perfect for me. So I'll reduce it a little bit. Happy. So on the text editing tool, now I believe you have watched the introduction to Pixellab already. If you watch the introduction to Pixellab, that means you would have understood the navigations. Alright, so sorry about the noise. So sorry. I don't know. I would have done this at home, but I couldn't before I came here. So I'll just hit color, then I'll choose this. Happy. I'll copy this and change it to val, that's VAL. So you can just increase this more. Alright, let's reduce this. Then we are going to increase this. Okay, happy val. Alright, so let's, yep. Okay, now the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just hit my I'll just hit this, click the plus sign, and then hit what's that, text, new text. So I'm going to write sexual immorality, sexual, what am I writing? Sexual immorality is a sin. Alright, sexual immorality is a sin. A lot of persons celebrate Valentine in the wrong way, forgetting that the biggest vow, the most significant vow, is the one that God showed for them. Alright, so they go ahead in sexual immorality, offending God, kind of sinning against God. Alright, so the best vow and the best love is that one that God showed for you and I. You understand? So I want you to create this design, post it up on all your social media platforms, share it on your handles, everywhere. You understand my point? So sexual immorality is sin. So I'm going to make it bold. So go to style, make it bold. Alright, so now I could check the sizes of this for you so that you don't design with your own sizes. Alright, so I'll click that. It's February 14th. The size is 20. Val. The size of val is 72 rather. The size of happy is on the text editing tool is 87. So it's so that you can, the size of this sexual immorality sin is 28. So this sexual immorality sin, I've copied it. I've highlighted it, touched it. So I'll go to color and scroll up a little bit and then select only sin, change the color to pick color red for it, and you can see. So the next thing, I'll just copy this and I'm going to write the color. I'll pick the color kind of like ash. Okay, so I'll reduce the size. I'll write celebrate val, celebrate Valentine, or could be a small v, I think so. Okay, let's say Valentine's Day in purity and sacrifice. Or I think let's just leave this like this. So I'll reduce this a little bit. I'll put it here. Okay, now come to relative position, still on the text editing tool. Come to relative position, put it at the very middle. Okay, so I'm just going to still copy this. So I'll scroll. This is still on the text editing tool, so we are not really bringing image to this design. So I'll scroll, and where you see style, just click it, and this one at the right side here, just click it. Alright, to remove the bold effects. So just reduce this, double click, and then I'm going to paste this. So you can write your own stuff, or look at this, pause and look at this and write it the way it is. So now you can see it is aligned left. So what I'm going to do is scroll to where you see align, click it, and then pick the middle one. Right, so I'm going to just reduce this a little bit, bring it down a little bit. I just want this to breathe. All right, I want the design to have breathing space. So it's part of spacing, is part of the principles of design that you need to obey. Okay, all right, so sexual immorality is saying all of that, blah blah blah. Now we are basically done with this, so I'm going to just write my own name and contact, so you can put your own as well. I'm going to write my name, a Christian So the size for this, I think this should be around 16, 12. Wow. So I'm going to now increase the spacing. Right, click the spacing, increase the spacing, come down to relative spacing and put it at the middle. Then hit this other one here, copy it, bring it down, then double click it, or you hit edit if you click it. Then I'm going to write my phone number, or my phone number here, reduce it a little bit, then put it hit position to move. All right, so if it's moving too fast, reduce it to 1 pixels and move as you want it to move. Then hit relative position, put it at the middle, and we are done with this design basically. So what we need to do now is we just need to go to from gallery, and I have to load this other stuff for you. I'm going to go to browse, and then I'm going to bring in this love sign, this one here. Hit OK. Let me close this up a little bit. Hit this, and just to show that this is a season of love, I've copied it, and then I'm going to put here, just rotate this a little bit. I'm going to put this one here. Okay, so basically we're done with this design. All right, so you can see Valentine is this, Valentine, all of that. So let's switch this and let's do this. Look at how clean it is and look at how simple it is. It's so lovely. All right, so happy Valentine in advance, and don't forget, God loves you. All right, bye. Save this as a picture. Just this is a save icon up here, so click it and save as image. So click save as image, the dimension, click the drop down and select Ultra, then save to gallery, and you're good to go. So it's saved to your gallery. You can check it there, you'll see it. Bye.